Hello children, in this class we are going to start the first chapter of English grammar, that is the articles. Okay, so let's start. Uh, okay, first revise what we know about articles. There are some rules. The first rule: the indefinite articles a and an cannot be used before uncountable nouns like ink, paper, sugar, tea. Okay, we can't use the indefinite articles, that is a and n, before uncountable noun, but we can say if there is another noun before the uncountable noun, like a bottle of ink. Ink is uncountable noun, but if we add bottle before ink, we can use a before that phrase, or a bag of sugar, a cup of tea, a piece of paper, like that. Next rule: uh, a or an can only be used with countable nouns in a singular. Uh, you know this rule. Here, a or an use in the in before singular noun. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound, and an before words beginning with a vowel sound. We all know about this rule that a is placed before a word that has consonant at the first, and an is placed before a word that has vowel in the first. All are singular. Okay, next, a is used before words beginning. Oh, okay. Next, the definite article the is used when we speak of a particular person or thing, or someone or something that has already been referred to. We use the in a to indicate a definite thing, or a particular person or thing, or or before noun that already been referred, like look at the first example: I saw a boy and a girl riding on an elephant. Okay, and in the next sentence, the boy was sitting behind the girl on the elephant. Okay, here three times a and an used. In the first sentence, a boy, a girl, and an elephant, and in the second sentence, the boy, the girl, and the elephant. Here the is used because the girl, the boy, and elephant has has already been referred in the first sentence. This is the man who stole a loaf of a bread. Here we referred a definite person, so we use the give me the blue cup. We referred here a particular cup. Okay, next rule: the is used when a singular countable noun is meant to represent the whole class. When a noun, singular noun, represent the whole class, we use the before that noun. Look at the first example: the cow is a useful animal. Here the cow means the whole cow race. And in the second, the rose is the sweetest of all the flowers. Here the rose means all the roses. Next, the is used with superlatives. In the superlative degree, we use the Everest is the highest mountain in the world, and the darkest cloud has the silver lining. Next, the is used with name of some countries such as USA, the Netherlands, the Maldives. Before some name of country, the is used. Next rule: the is used before common nouns, which are the names of things which are one of its kind. like the sun rises in the east. Here sun is only one and east is only one direction, so we indicate the one thing with the use of the. Next rule, the is regularly used with names of rivers, the other water bodies, the names of mountain ranges, etc. Delhi stand on the bank of the Yamuna. Here in the before before the name of the river Yamuna, we use the, because it is the only one. The Ganga is a sacred river. Many ships use the Suez Canal. The Himalayas lies to the north of India. Okay, let's do some exercise. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Put a cross where no article is required. The first one has been done for you. Okay, some blanks are given here. You have to fill all the blanks with a and the, and if there is no if there is no need of article, then put a cross mark. China is an Asian country. We should be back in an hour and a half. An electric iron is used for pressing clothes. Okay, all the exercise I have done all the exercise for you. Oh, first you have to do by yourself, then check with my answer. Okay, let's learn. Okay, some more rules are here. We all know that E and U is vowel, and if a word contain the first letter vowel E or U, then we have to use N. But in some cases where the beginning E or U sounds like U, that is YOO, then we have to use A instead of N. Some examples are Europe, European, uniform, unique, union, united, universal, university, usual, etc. Belgium is a European country, not an European, because E is pronounced like you, European, yo. Indefinite article are used with names of professions and occupation. Profession, if we refer to any occupation, then we must have use a or an. Like my brother is an engineer. If we said my brother is engineer, that is incorrect. We have to say my brother is an engineer. Okay, next rule. Okay, there are some nouns like hero, genius, tool, thief, and liar. If we use these words to describe a person, then we have to use the indefinite article. Look at the example. Beware of that fellow, he is a liar. If we say he is liar, that is incorrect. He is a liar. The indefinite articles are always follows the word such when it is applied to things that are countable. If we refer to a countable noun, like a such a cold winter, then we must put such and then the indefinite article. Look at the example. I have never known such a cold winter. If we write I never known a such cold winter, that is incorrect. Such a cold winter is the right. Next, if an adjective is preceded by so, the, a or an must be placed between the adjective and the noun. If so is placed just before the adjective, in that case we must put the indefinite article between the adjective and noun. Look at the example. I have never known so cold a winter. So cold a winter. Cold is placed before no, sorry a so is placed before the adjective. That's why we write a here between the adjective and the noun. Next, the is used before adjectives and participles when these are used as plural nouns. We use the when uh, uh, we use the before adjective when it is plural. It is used as plural sense, like the rich. Here the rich ought to help the poor. Here rich rich refers to a plural adjective, so we use the here. Next, the is used in adverb phrases such as in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. These are all adverb phrases, and the must use in these phrases. The is used in adverb phrases and sentences to show that two things increase in the same proportion. The more the merrier, the sooner the better. Here two things are proportion. To clear that sense, we must use the. The is used before uncountable noun to identify them. Look at the example. The milk, the rice. We all know milk, rice are the uncountable noun, so we place the before them. The is used before nouns which name the inhabitants of a country collectively, but not before the name of their language. To refer to any inhabitant of any country, we use the, like the French, but we cannot use the before their language. Like the French live in France, the inhabitants of French speak French. The inhabitants of France speak French, not the French. Okay, next, omission of the definite article. Note the omission of the definite omission of note the omission of the in the following. Okay, the first one, we travel by land, by sea, and by air. Not by the land, by the sea, or by the air. We are going to Delhi by train, not by bus. Here, if we write by the train or by the bus, that is incorrect. Next, we say go to school, go to market, go to church, not to the church or to the market, go to the prison. We cannot use the before them. The children go to school to learn, not go to the school. But I am going to the hospital to visit a friend. Here, we can use the hospital. Okay, we say all day. We say all day and all night, not all the day and all the night. That is incorrect form of incorrect place of the. We don't say all the morning. We we see that we see before that we have to use in the morning, in the evening. But if there is all in the place of there is all in the place of in, uh, we must omit the. We do not use the before the name of games. Okay, we do not use the the definite article the in the before of name of game before, sorry, before the name of game. Like I play football, not I play the football. I play football, hockey and tennis. Not before the game, but if we refer to any musical instrument like play the piano, play the drums, play the violin, we can use the. We do not use the before plural nouns when they are used in a general or universal sense. Apples are good to eat, not the apples. Next rule, we do not use the before the name of material or substances if they are used in a general sense. Before any name of material noun like gold, bread, table, etc., um, if they if their sense is like general, like gold is a precious metal. Here, gold means all the gold. So we cannot use the before this material noun. Bread is form of flour. Tables are made of wood. But if this material noun referred a particular sense, in that case we use the. But we say the bread she brought. Here the sense is a particular sense. So we can use the before material noun when it senses a particular thing. Next, we do not use the before the names of meals if they refer to meals in general. That is the same like the before, like the previous one. Breakfast is ready, not the breakfast. Here, breakfast refer to a general sense. General sense means all the breakfasts. But if the breakfast or these noun are referred particular thing, then we can use the. But we say the breakfast he give us. Okay, some exercises are given. You have to add. Achha, the articles are missing in this sentence. Insert appropriate articles wherever necessary and rewrite the sentence. The first one has been done as an example. Okay, the you have to add the articles here and rewrite the sentence. I indicate where the articles are placed, but first you have to do by yourself and you have to write the sentences as well. Some more exercises are given. Move to the next question. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate articles. Put cross where no article is required. This is very simple. প্রথমে তোমরা নিজে করবে, তারপর আমার অ্যান্সারের সাথে মিলিয়ে নেবে। Move to the next question. Okay, some fun tasks are here. The articles have been removed from these well-known proverbs. Rewrite them by filling in the missing article so that the sayings make sense. Okay, some proverbs are given here and articles are take removed. You have to place the article properly. Now think of some more proverbs which contains articles and write them below. Underline all the article. proverbs. There are more proverbs or sayings that you hear in our society. You would write 2 or 4 more proverbs. Fun corner. Read the words written and complete the sentence appropriately. Okay. Read the I am. You have to complete the sentence. Okay, a conversation is given here. You can practice it by with your parents or friends. Okay, some common errors. Some common errors are given here. The English is spoken all over the world. Here, not English, because English uh, English is spoken all over the world. Here English referred a general sense. What pity your friend deceived you. What a pity. It is a anonymous decision. A anonymous. This is a uniform, not a uniform. This is the uniform. I don't like a fried egg. I don't like fried egg. The Germans beat Italy in the finals. The Germans beat the Italians in the finals, because Germans and Italians are referred to the residents of in countries. Okay, students, that's all for now. We will start the next chapter in the next class. Thank you.